The truth about 30-year roof lifespans. Want to know why some roofs last 30 years and others barely make it to 15? Here's the secret that most homeowners never discover until it's too late. Let me explain something that might shock you. I recently had to replace a roof that was only 12 years old with premium architectural shingles, an $18,000 investment. The homeowner was devastated. Same neighborhood, same year. His neighbor's roof is still protecting their family after 27 years with the exact same type of shingles. What's the difference? Here's what you need to know. Those 30-year shingles that you're paying premium prices for, that number is marketing, not a guarantee. The key thing to understand is that the warranty rating tells you about the shingle quality, but it doesn't account for the most critical factor that determines whether your roof protects your home for 3 decades or fails before your kids graduate high school. I'm John Kabarakis, and I've installed thousands of roofs across New Jersey and Pennsylvania over the past 2 decades. What I'm about to share will completely change how you think about roof replacement, and it could save you tens of thousands of dollars while protecting your family's biggest investment. The quality materials myth that's costing homeowners thousands. Think of it like buying a luxury car. You can purchase the finest Mercedes-Benz available, but if an inexperienced tech at the factory installs the engine incorrectly, that $100,000 vehicle might not make it past your driveway. This is important because the same principle applies to your roof, except the stakes are much higher. We're talking about your family's safety and your home's structural integrity. Let me explain exactly how this works. The quality of roofing materials that are used to install your new roof does play a big role in longevity. Premium architectural shingles have multiple layers, better UV protection, and enhanced wind resistance compared to standard 3-tap shingles. These materials can theoretically protect your home for 25 to 30 years or more. But here's what the manufacturers don't advertise. Those longevity ratings are based on laboratory conditions with perfect installation. In the real world, I've seen $50,000 slate roofs fail in 15 years because of poor installation. And I've seen basic architectural shingles protect homes for 30 plus years when installed properly. What this tells us is that even the best materials in the world can't overcome poor workmanship. Research shows that incorrect installation can reduce a roof's lifespan by 50% or more. To put it simply, you're not just buying shingles, you're investing in the expertise to install them correctly. The most important factor to a long-lasting roof isn't what's in the box. It's who's taking it out of the box and how they're putting it on your home. The hidden installation details that determine your roof's true lifespan. Here's something most homeowners don't realize. Anyone can nail shingles to a roof. You could probably watch a few YouTube videos and figure out the basic mechanics yourself. But experienced, certified roofing experts understand that the invisible work, the flashing around chimneys and vents, the ice and water shield placement, the ventilation calculations, the fastening patterns that vary based on your roof's pitch and local wind conditions. That's what determines whether your roof lasts 15 years or 30. Think of your roof like a complex ecosystem. Just as a garden needs proper drainage, soil composition, and sunlight balance to thrive for decades, your roof needs proper ventilation, moisture barriers, and structural support to achieve its full lifespan. This means that every component must work in harmony. Let me give you a real example. Poor attic ventilation alone can void your manufacturer's warranty and cut your roof's life in half. Why? Because without proper airflow, summer heat builds up in your attic, literally cooking your shingles and wood decking from underneath. In winter, that same poor ventilation causes ice dams that force water under your shingles. Most homeowners never see this happening, and unfortunately, most contractors know this. Here's why this matters for your home specifically. Experienced roofing experts who have installed thousands of roofs and continuously attend ongoing training to educate themselves about the newest trends in roofing will install your new roof properly. They understand building science, local weather patterns, and manufacturer specifications that can change every year. This ensures you get the longest life possible out of your investment. The difference between a 15-year roof and a 30-year roof often comes down to just a few hours of additional careful work during installation that only trained professionals know how to perform. The certification that changes everything. Now let me share something that only 3% of roofing contractors can offer you. One of the best ways to ensure you get the longest life possible out of your new roof is to select a GAF Master Elite certified roofing contractor. Here's what makes this different from every other contractor claiming to be certified or licensed. GAF Master Elite certification isn't just a piece of paper you can buy or test you take online. To earn this certification, contractors must prove they have proper licensing, adequate insurance, a solid reputation, ongoing professional training, and proven installation quality that meets the highest industry standards. Think of it like this. If you needed heart surgery, would you choose any doctor with a medical degree? Or would you seek out a cardiac specialist who's performed thousands of successful operations and continues to train on the latest techniques? The same logic applies to your roof. It's protecting everything you own and everyone you love. What this means for you is access to installation quality that most contractors simply can't provide. Master Elite contractors have demonstrated to GAF, the world's largest shingle manufacturer, that they consistently install roofs according to strict specifications. They're not learning on your roof. They're applying proven expertise development over thousands of installations. But here's where it gets even better. This certification gives you access to warranty options that can completely change the economics of your roof replacement. The ultimate protection most homeowners don't know exists. Let me explain something that could be the difference between complete peace of mind and decades of worry about your roof. When you work with a GAF Master Elite contractor, you can access something called the Golden Pledge Warranty. This industry-leading warranty will cover your roof against any leaks for 25 years. Now here's why this matters. This isn't just a material warranty where the manufacturer might give you a prorated credit for defective shingles while you're stuck paying for labor and dealing with water damage. The Golden Pledge warranty coverage comes directly from GAF, the world's largest shingle manufacturer, and it covers both materials and workmanship. Think about what this really means for your family. Every time a storm rolls through New Jersey or Pennsylvania, and we get our share of nor'easters and summer thunderstorms, you can sleep soundly knowing that if anything happens to your roof, you're completely covered. No arguing with contractors, no fighting with insurance companies, no unexpected repair bills that destroy your budget. To put this into perspective, the average roof repair for storm damage costs between $3,000 and $8,000. Over 25 years, even one or two major repairs could easily cost more than the difference between choosing a Master Elite contractor and going with the lowest bidder. But with the Golden Pledge warranty, those repairs are covered. This is important because it transforms your roof from a depreciating expense into a protected investment. You're not just buying shingles and labor, you're purchasing more than a quarter century of guaranteed protection for your home, making the right decision for your home's future. Now that you understand why workmanship is the secret to roof longevity, let me help you think about this decision in practical terms. Your roof is either slowly protecting your investment or slowly destroying it. There's no middle ground. If you're a New Jersey or Pennsylvania homeowner with a roof that's approaching 18 to 25 years old, you're at a critical decision point. You can wait and hope for a few more years, risking catastrophic failure during the next big storm. You can choose the lowest bidder and roll the dice on whether they know the difference between proper ventilation and just making it look good from the street, or you can invest in certified expertise that comes with manufacturer-backed protection. If you want to ensure your next roof protects your family for the full 30 years or more with zero stress about leaks or storm damage, I'd be happy to provide a comprehensive assessment of your current roof and explain your protection options. Visit our website or call us to schedule your free roof evaluation with our Master Elite certified team. Here's what I recommend you do next. Get a comprehensive roof assessment from a GAF Master Elite contractor, not just someone climbing up with a ladder and giving you a price, but a thorough evaluation of your entire roofing system, ventilation, decking condition, flashing integrity, and shingle wear patterns. This assessment will tell you exactly where you stand and what your options are. Remember, the difference between a roof that barely makes it to 15 years and one that protects your family for 30 years isn't luck. It's the quality of workmanship backed by the right warranty protection. When you understand this, the choice becomes clear. So remember this, the secret to a 30-year roof isn't just premium materials. It's expert installation by certified professionals who understand that the details you can't see are what determine how long your roof will last. The quality of workmanship combined with proper certification and comprehensive warranty protection is what separates roofs that fail early from those that protect families for generations. Protect your home, get informed, and I'll see you in my next video.